Hey guys, welcome to InvestCrest. Imagine you're in the Bahamas sitting and enjoying on the beach and getting paid while you're at it, all because you made a decision to invest in dividend paying stocks. That's what financial freedom is, not having to work and living entirely off your investments. We all know Warren Buffett, the greatest investor of all time, but do you know his yearly salary is $100,000? Now, that is no small number by any means, but for a name like Buffett, it may surprise you how he is worth over $100 billion. In 1988, he bought 6.2% of Coca-Cola stock for $1 billion. Fast forward to 2020, he owns 9.3% of the company worth $22 billion. That means he will earn around $650 million in dividends from that stock this year. The difference between the poor people and the wealthy is that the poor and middle class earn salaries, whereas the wealthy earn dividends. To earn a salary, you have to pay with your time, which is limited and stops after a certain age. Whereas in terms of dividends, your money and time earns more money for you and keeps growing. It has no limits and keeps growing even after retirement. In this video, we'll be covering things like what are dividends, why do companies pay it, is it a stable form of income. We'll be talking about the pros and cons in this video, so smash that like button, subscribe to this channel and keep watching this video till the end. What are dividends? According to Wikipedia, a dividend is a distribution of profits by a corporation to its shareholders. When a corporation earns a profit or surplus, it is able to pay a proportion of the profit as a dividend to shareholders. What this means is when you buy a stock of a company, you become a 0.000 something owner of that company. It is a way of the company saying thank you for owning the stock. You can check how much dividend a company pays, like Apple here for example. The dividend yield is the percentage of the market value of the stock which will be paid as a dividend. Now the number varies for every company and it may look small, but remember that you can buy multiple shares, so the numbers will add up. And also remember that the dividend is paid based on market value of the stock and not how much you bought it for. So your dividends tend to gradually increase over time. Some companies do pay a very high dividend yield, but you should also check the status of the company, as companies sometimes pay high dividends as a way to have people buy their stock a lot more. So when you hold on to a stock, you also get the profits of that company depending on how much of the stock you own. So if a company makes a lot of profits in a particular financial year or quarter, then these profits will end up in your own pocket. Now, the decision on whether to pay dividends or not is taken by the board members of the company. Now, why do companies pay dividends? If a company is big and matured and has little scope for growth, then the company decides to pay dividends from the profits. Or, in other words, like I said, it's a way of saying thank you for holding the stock. There are many companies who are big and stable who pay stable dividends, which is directly credited to your account. Now, companies can choose to pay dividends every quarter of financial year, and some also pay you on a monthly basis. So by now you would have known that there's two ways to earn money from a stock: buy low, sell high, and buy and hold. Now the buy and hold is the easiest way to earn money from the market, and if you check past records, then all the wealthy people have created their wealth by holding stocks for the long run. I have a video coming soon about how you can make money from stocks, so make sure you subscribe for that and click the I button or the link in description. When we think about the stock market, all we think about is when we should buy and when we should sell. If you take a look at Warren Buffett, he's never sold his stocks unless the company has gone bad. As we know, he is known for his faith and investment in Coca-Cola. He earned $650 million from dividends in 2020 by holding the stock, compared to $18 million earned by the CEO of the company, even though Warren Buffett doesn't himself work at the company. Now, can we retire early using dividends? Yes, people do retire off dividends and you can too. Now, one thing about people is that they don't think about retirement, and so retiring using the stock market is the last thing people think of because they think it's risky. I have a video about stock market investing coming soon, so make sure you subscribe for that and click the I button or link in description. What I'm talking about here is investing for the long run and not trading stocks, as I personally believe in value investing by holding for the long run. There'll be a link in the description about a video on losing money in the stock market, or you can click the I button on your screen. Many people ask, if we don't sell stocks, how will we make profits or earn money? So like we discussed, there's two ways to earn from the market, and here we'll be talking about dividends. So before we begin, know that when you invest properly, you can expect a 8 to 15% return from the market. It can surely be higher, but 8 to 15 is an average, so that is what we'll be using here. So when you invest in a bank deposit or savings account, you get a fixed amount of interest. So if you have X amount invested, then you will earn a guaranteed fixed Y amount of interest on it, no matter how long you invested. But now assume you have $1,000 invested in a stock and you get a 2% dividend. So in the first year you'll get $20. But 10 years later, when the company grows at the earlier discussed 15% rate, then the value of the stock will be $4,045, and that 2% dividend will be paid according to the market value of the stock. That is 2% of 4,045, which is $81 in dividends. Another 10 years later, the stock will be at a value of $16,000 at a rate of 15%, which means your dividend will be $300. The trick here is to start early and stay invested for the long run. This is why Warren Buffett chooses dividend paying stocks and holds them. If you are unsure about which stocks to pick and don't trust yourself with such stuff, you can always buy index funds, which we'll be covering about in a future video. So make sure you subscribe for that. Click the I button or the link in your description. This is all possible due to the power of compounding in the stock market, which I will make a video on if it's not already uploaded. So click the I button or the link in description. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from it. Make sure you smash that like button as it helps the channel out, and subscribe for more such content.